Good evening, everyone. I'm Priya Suresh Kumar, and I'm extremely delighted to welcome you all to an evening of enchanting performances by the beautiful dancers of Mudra Dance Academy, Hong Kong. It's my honor to welcome our distinguished guest, Madam Priyanka Mehtani, Consul, Commerce, Political and Press, as well as eminent personalities in the arts and cultural world of Hong Kong. Most respectable Nisha Javeri, Sri Shakti Academy, Sandhya Gopalakrishnan, Nati Shikhara, Shweta Rajput, Surtal Academy of Performing Arts, Benes Cheng, Beyond Bollywood, Ghulam Siraj, Pumka, Poonam Mehta, Be the Change Hong Kong Limited, Alok Jain and Priyanka Jain, Teacup Productions. I would now request the presence of our esteemed guest, Madam Priyanka, on stage to say a few words about Mudra Dance Academy.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank Mudra Dance Academy for inviting me to the event today. When the consulate received the invite, what struck us was the name of the event. As we know, the blue god, Sri Krishna, has played an immense role and left an indelible mark on our collective consciousness. He has played many roles. He's been a child, he's been a brother, he's been a charioteer, he's been a guru, he's been a cowherd, but throughout his journey, he was just aware that these are roles and he is eternal. So today, as we are going to watch these dance performances showcasing some of these roles that he's played through his life, I look forward to it, and thank you once again. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. As a sign of respect to our performers, may I remind you all to keep your phones in silent mode? And we would be grateful if you take some of your valuable time to share your thoughts on our performances by scanning the QR code on the last page of the pamphlet or using the website link provided. Thank you very much. This evening, we proudly present to you Ballads of the Blue God, a beautifully choreographed dance production that takes you on a blissful journey through the stories from Lord Krishna's life. If all our innate auspicious qualities were to take the form of a human being, that beautiful result would be Lord Krishna. The Krishna influence, sweet, alluring, and beautiful, is all-pervading in Indian culture and the daily life of its people. Whatever is immeasurable can appear to the mortal eye only as blue, just like the cloudless summer sky appears blue to the naked eye. Since Lord Krishna is beyond our perception, it is apt to attribute this color to him. His indigo hue can also be attributed to his childhood encounter with the demoness Putana, who tried to poison him. Throughout his life, Krishna showed us how to practice spiritual qualities in our daily lives, even while immersed in worldly actions. Whether the circumstances were favorable or unfavorable, his smile, the mark of complete contentment, never left his face. In our journey through Krishna's life, today we have 9 beautiful dance pieces carefully selected from 5 different Indian languages in 3 different dance genres. They are Mohiniyattam, Bharatanatyam, and semi-classical. In the semi-classical genre, we have a folk dance and a diya dance performed with small earthen lamps. We also have a performance combining the elements from Kathak and Bharatanatyam. We begin our performance with a popular devotional song from Kerala, written in Malayalam language, presented through Mohiniyattam. a lyrical dance form that uses lasya bhava, or smooth hand gestures and gentle movements. The dance piece is named Chetti Mandaram. Here, two devotees express their desire to see their Lord, Krishna, adorned with beautiful garlands made of fragrant flowers, yellow silk robe, and peacock feathers on his hair, and playing his beautiful flute. Praying to the Lord to appear before them, to wipe their tears, and to accept the humble offering of beaten rice. We have Divya Arun and Chow Lai Fong Mabel on stage. Please sit back and enjoy.
ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. ചൂടിക്കൊണ്ടും മഞ്ഞത്തൂകിൽ ചുറ്റിക്കൊണ്ടും മണിക്കുഴലൂതിക്കൊണ്ടും കണി കാണണം. മയിൽ പീലി ചൂടിക്കൊണ്ടും മഞ്ഞത്തൂകിൽ ചുറ്റിക്കൊണ്ടും മണിക്കുഴലൂതിക്കൊണ്ടും കണി കാണണം. ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം. അഗതിയമടിയന്റെ അശ്രു വീണു കുതിർന്നോരി ആവിൽ കോതി കൈക്കൊള്ളുവാൻ കണി കാണണം. ശ്രുവീണു കുതിർന്നോരി ആവിൽ കോതി കൈക്കൊള്ളുവാൻ കണി കാണണം. ചെത്തി മന്ദാരം തുളസി പിച്ചകമാലകൾ ചാർത്തി ഗുരുവായൂരപ്പ നിന്നെ കണി കാണണം.
That was ethereal. Thank you, Divya and Mabel. Moving on to a semi-classical dance, where we will see glimpses of a classical style mixed with another genre like folk. The next dance piece is named Achyutam Keshavam, a Hindi bhajan composition based on Achyutashtagam by Sri Adiguru Shankaracharya. Here, a group of devotees are reciting various names of the Lord and asking each other why the Lord is not manifesting before them, wondering whether their devotion is not as pure and unconditional as that of the poet Saint Mirabai, an ardent devotee of Krishna from the 16th century, whose bhajans on the Lord are still sung by many. In this dance, the performers use diyas or small earthen lamps to convey their devotion to the Lord. On the stage, we have Vinny Purswani, Shivani Soni, Deepthi Gidwani, and Deepthi Gupta. Please sit back and enjoy. Well done, team. That was divine. Thank you, Deepthi Gidwani, Deepthi Gupta, Shivani, and Vinny. In this performance, you would have observed that there are lots of questions in the minds of the devotees about Lord Krishna. One of the devotees, Gopika, patiently answers their questions, explaining the major events of Krishna's life. The next performances are arranged in a chronological order, depicting Krishna's life as seen through the eyes of Gopika. King Kamsa, the maternal uncle of Lord Krishna, was an unjust and tyrannical ruler. Deeply disturbed by the prophecy that the eighth child born to his sister Devaki and her husband Vasudeva would kill him, Kamsa wanted to kill the eighth child, Krishna. He imprisoned Devaki and Vasudeva. But when the Lord was born, a miracle happened. The doors of the prison opened on their own. All the guards fell asleep, and the shackles broke. By the divine guidance, Vasudeva walked to the river Yamuna carrying baby Krishna. The river parted and made way for Lord Krishna. Vasudeva reached the house of his friend Nanda and his wife Yashoda. Yashoda had just delivered a baby girl. Vasudeva replaced the girl child and with Krishna and took her back to the prison. When Kamsa tried to kill the baby by throwing her against the wall, to his surprise, the baby disappeared, and a divine female voice echoed, "Evil Kamsa, your slayer has already taken birth. He is alive and safe, and will punish you for all your sins." Based on this story, the next item is a beautiful Varnam in Mohiniyattam named Gopa Gokule and follows Ragam Nalinakanti and Talam Adi. The composition is in Malayalam language. The expressive dance pieces in Mohiniyattam were traditionally presented in a solo format, which we will recreate for you. Our performer, Nitya Unni, portrays the beautiful mother-son moments shared by Yashoda, the foster mother of little Krishna right from his birth. Enjoy.
അവൾ വാനിലതായി മറഞ്ഞെന്നോ ജന്യയായി മായയെന്നോ അവൾ വാനിലതായി മറഞ്ഞെന്നോ ജന്യയായി മായയെന്നോ അവൾ വാനിലതായി മറഞ്ഞെന്നോ പാനിമ പനി പപ മഗരേ നിഗരേ നിപ സാ നിസ മരേ മരേ പാമനി പ സാനി പനി സഗരി പമ മഗരി സഗരി സാ സാ സാനി പമനി പ മമ മഗരി സഗരി മപ ഉണ്ണിവന്നും മടരുവതും അവൻ അംഗത്തിൽ ശയിപ്പതും ഈറ്റിലഭ്യമോക്തേയും ദാനമോ ഇവ വെറുമോരു ധാത്രിയോ ഗോപ ഗോകുലേ റാണി ഇവൾ മദന ഗോപാല മാതാ യശോദ
That was a beautiful and soothing performance, Nitya. Hope you all enjoyed watching Mother Yashoda's love for her darling boy, which is unmatched in purity. Now, we'll take a 5-minute break and come back more to watch Naughty Krishna. There are several stories of little Krishna's pranks, and through the upcoming dance piece, Gopika explains beautifully one of the most popular pranks little Krishna plays with Yashoda. Mother's love is universal, divine, and boundless. Here, we present to you a mischievous little Krishna who gets caught by Yashoda as he tries to eat sand. When light that he did not eat sand, Yashoda asks him to open his mouth. Amazed at the sight of the entire universe in his mouth, Yashoda holds little Krishna close to her, thanking him for showing her such a divine sight. This is a Carnatic classical music composition in Kannada language by Vyasa Tirtha, titled Krishna Ni Begane, in Ragam Yamuna Kalyani and Talam Misra Chap. We have used some Bharatanatyam elements in the semi-classical dance piece. Please enjoy the tender moments between Mother Yashoda, performed by Revati Nair, and her little Krishna, performed by Sanvi Banerjee.
Krishna, 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 कृष्णा बेगने बारो 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 कृष्णा बेगने बारो 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 कृष्णा बेगने ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಮುಖವನ್ನೇ ತೋರೋ ಕೃಷ್ಣಾ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ 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 ಕೃಷ್ಣಾ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ತಾಯಿಗೆ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಚ್ಚಗವನ್ನೇ ತೋರಿದ ಜಗದೋದ್ಧಾರಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಡುಪಿಯ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ 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 ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನೀ ಬೇಗನೆ ಬಾರೋ ಬಾರೋ
That was out of the world, pure magic. Mischievous, playful Krishna indeed stole our hearts. Gopika continues her stories of little Krishna, who, though naughty, shows signs of bravery through his small acts. A huge black serpent called Kaliya came to live in the river Yamuna. The people of Vrindavan were scared of the mighty serpent who poisoned the water of the river with his venom. Krishna and his friends were grazing cows when one of the cows went to drink water and died from the poison. Krishna bravely entered the water to find Kaliya. A fierce struggle ensued, and after some time, the villagers could see a happy Krishna dancing on the hood of fierce Kaliya, holding his tail in his hand, a symbol of bravery and strength. The next performance, based on this story, is a Bharatanatyam repertoire, Tillana, named Kalinga Nartana Tillana. Bharatanatyam is a dance form popular across the world for its spontaneity and brisk movements. Tillana is a popular rhythmic piece in Carnatic classical music, which combines fast-paced rhythm patterns and storytelling techniques. This Tilana, written in Sanskrit by the great poet Sri Utukadu Venkata Subbaiah, is set to Ragam Gambhira Nate and Talam Adi. Our performers are Gayatri Surya, Harsha Venugopal, Ramya Arnath, Ruchiparna Swain, Soumya Ranganathan, and Vasudha Venkatadri. Ruchiparna plays Krishna and Vasudha plays Kaliya. Welcome.
జగనక జగదృగు జగనంతం తకనక జగదృగు జగనంతం యమునా తటాక తుంగ తరంగం హిమకర స్థిమితరమిత శుభాంగం తస్తతశ్చర కరుణాపాంగం యతివర హృదయ సరోరుహ భృంగం దినత తిల్లాన దినత తిల్లాన దినత తిల్లాన త్రిపుత కిట తిల్లాన తిలక సింధూర అలక శృంగార వదన గంభీర ఉరగ ఫణ సంచార నంద సుకుమార నవనీత దది చోర చందమణిహార జలజ భవనుత ధీర నన్నంద సుకుమార నవనీత దది చోర చందమణిహార జలజ భవనుత ధీర జయ విజయీ భవనంద కుమార వ్రజ జన పరమానంద కిశోర కాళీయ నటనానంద గంభీర కరుణార సయుత భావ శరీర ధీం తతాం తధీం తతాం తథై హరి జయ విజయీ భవనంద కుమార ప్రజన పరమానంద కిశోర కాళీయ నటనానంద గంభీర కరుణార సహిత భావ శరీర
పద మధుకర మధుప తరల సమనయన కమల దళ చలనము హృదయమపి చోర చాతురాదయ కర మురాతిరేకర మద మధుకర మధుప తరల సమనయన కమల దళ చలనము హృదయమపి చోర చాతురాదయ కర మురాతిరేకర మద మధుకర మధుప తరల సమనయన కమల దళ చలనము హృదయమపి చోర చాతురాదయ కర మురాతిరేకర.
Kudos to all of you. That was an energetic and splendid performance. Gopika shares another story. Krishna has grown up from a beautiful child to a handsome young adult. Radha, the beautiful gopi or milkmaid, became the beloved of Krishna during that period of his life when he lived among the gopas or cowherds of Vrindavan. The bond of love between Lord Krishna and Radha was not physical. Rather, it was a spiritual and pure form of devotion. Radha is considered the epitome of peace, patience, compassion, and devotion in Indian culture. Lord Krishna and Radha are two different manifestations of the divine principle. Naturally, it is one of the most explored storylines across various art forms. In this story, Radha is eagerly waiting to meet her beloved Krishna, telling her Sakhis, friends, that the Lord is compassionate and benevolent. The next performance is a fast-paced Hindi song portraying this scene. Kanare is a lively semi-classical dance piece combining Bharatanatyam and Kathak dance formats presented by Divya Arun, Nitya Unni and Revati Nair. Enjoy this beautiful piece.
Ah
That was mind-blowing. Well done, Divya, Nitya, and Revati. Gopika continues with the stories of Radha and Krishna, this time illustrating the meeting and conversation between Radha and Krishna on the banks of the river Yamuna. Chaliye Kunjanamu is a short and sweet conversation filled with the happiness and vivacity of Radha and the playfulness, mischief, and flamboyance of Lord Krishna. This popular Hindustani classical composition by Maharaja Swati Tirunal is based on the Ragam Vrindavan Saranga and Talam Adi. The mood of this song brings out Sringara Rasa or romance. The playful exchanges between lovers evoke Sringara Rasa. This is a Mohiniyattam Padam, which is expressive with its storytelling quality and body movements to recreate a particular incident or a moment in life on stage. Our performers are Dr. Manimala Dharmangadan, who portrays the role of Krishna, and Dr. Sindhu Biju Narayanan, who portrays the role of Radha. Welcome, Dr. Mala and Dr. Sindhu.
श्याम हरे हरे श्याम हरे श्याम हरे
truly spellbound watching that beautiful conversation on stage. Graceful performance, Dr. Mala and Dr. Sindhu. Our next piece is a semi-classical folk dance set in the style of Dandiya Ras from the state of Gujarat. This is a much loved and popular Hindi movie song, Radha Kaise Na Jale. The choreography is a mix of traditional Dandiya and classical dances. The song, presented as a light-hearted duet, portrays the jealous Radha, observing Krishna being more attentive to other gopis, and a Krishna who tries to reassure her of his love. Our performers for this piece are Vinny Purswani, Shivani Soni, Deepthi Gidwani, and Deepthi Gupta. Deepthi Gupta as Krishna and Vinny Purswani as Radha. Enjoy the performance. colorful and energetic. Well done, Deepthi Gupta, Vinny, Shivani, and Deepthi Gidwani. Gopika concludes her stories by summarizing the major events in Krishna's childhood. The devotees are overwhelmed listening to these beautiful stories. Whenever and wherever there is a decline in dharma or righteousness and a predominant rise in adharma or unrighteousness, Lord Krishna incarnates to re-establish dharma. Our final recital is a Bharatanatyam performance, Swagadam Krishna, a popular Carnatic music composition by Sri Utukadu Venkata Subbayar. This devotional piece welcomes the ever-benevolent Lord Krishna of Madura, who vanquished Mushtika, Chanura, and Kuvalayapita, danced in victory atop Kaliya, and saved Gokula and looked after the Devas. The performers are Gayatri Surya, Harsha Venugopal, Ramya Ravi, Rushiparna Spain, Soumya Ranganathan, and Vasudha Venkatadri. Enjoy.
తకతరి కుకుందన కిట తకధీం తకతరి కుకుందన కిట తకధీం తకతరి కుకుందన కిట తకధీం స్వాగతం కృష్ణ శరణాగతం కృష్ణ స్వాగతం కృష్ణ శరణాగతం కృష్ణ మధురాపురి సదనా మృదువదనా మధుసూదన ఇహ స్వాగతం కృష్ణ శరణాగతం కృష్ణ మధురాపురి సదనా మృదువదనా మధుసూదన ఇహ స్వాగతం కృష్ణ శరణాగతం కృష్ణ మధురాపురి సదనా మృదువదనా మధుసూదన ఇహ స్వాగతం కృష్ణ శరణాగతం కృష్ణ భోగదాప్త సులభా సుపుష్పగంధకలభా భోగదాప్త సులభా సుపుష్పగంధకలభా కస్తూరి తిలక మహిమ మమ కాంతనంద గోపగంధ స్వాగతం కృష్ణ ముష్టికాసూరచానూరమల్ల విశారద మధుసూదనా ముష్టికాసూరచానూరమల్ల విశారద కువలయ పీఠ మర్దన కళింగ నర్తన గోకుల రక్షణ సకల సులక్షణ దేవ మర్దన కళింగ నర్తన గోకుల రక్షణ సకల సులక్షణ దేవ శిష్ట జనపాల సంకల్ప కల్ప కల్ప శతకోటి అసమ పరాభవ ధీర ముని జన విహార మదన సుకుమార దైత్య సంహార దేవా ధీర ముని జన విహార మదన సుకుమార దైత్య సంహార Krishna.
What a fabulous and beautiful way to wrap up the day. Graceful performances by the dedicated artists of Mudra Dance Academy. We hope you enjoyed the show and are filled with unforgettable stories and images from Lord Krishna's life. Thank you all from the bottom of our heart. Now I would like to invite Divya Arun, the founder of Mudra Dance Academy, on stage to say a few words. Over to you, Divya.
Thank you. A very big thank you to all our eminent guests, performers, backstage team and front desk support, sound and light control crew, video and photography teams. We are immensely grateful to all the families who have supported us in this endeavor. Once again, heartfelt thanks to all of you, our wonderful audience, for being here today and supporting us. We hope that this show was enlightening and entertaining for you all. Good night. Last but not the least, I have to thank my family for being such a big support for this. Otherwise, this would not have been possible today. So, big thanks to my husband and my son also. And before I end my speech, I would like to get your valuable feedback with the forms that you might have collected from the front desk. Please give us your valuable feedback. It's positive or negative or it needs improvement, it's fine. But please do visit our website and give your feedback. Yeah, thank you so much.